welcome back to a new video. In my last unboxing video, we took a look at the Z Fold 3, which is a phone that folds into a tablet. Pretty awesome phone. I've been using this for a couple months now, and I really like it. But today, we're gonna be taking a look at the Z Flip 3. And instead of being a phone that folds into a tablet, this is a phone that folds down to be like half the size. And I've always wanted to take a look at this thing because there are some things that I don't like about this phone. One being that the aspect ratio while scrolling, you kind of get a lot of stuff cut off, but this one shouldn't be like that. But it's also a different form factor, so I'm really excited to take a look at this. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Alright, so we have the box here. I'm gonna grab my knife and we'll go ahead and cut this thing open. Alright, here we go. Alright, so now the seals are broken, and let's go ahead and carefully open this up. Alright, so here is the actual phone. There's a little pull tab to lift it up. So I got it in Phantom Black. It's like a matte black. I'm gonna go ahead and set this over here for now. We're gonna see what else is inside the box. Alright, so in here is your SIM tool, and if you open this up, it's just a charging cable and your manuals. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep that in here. And yeah, now we can go ahead and look at the actual phone. So right here, I think you just, yeah, here we go. Just a little piece of plastic, and then it just comes off like this. So here is the actual Z Flip, and comparing it side by side with the Fold, definitely thinner. Probably be the same once it's folded up, but the screen size is a big difference, and a lot of the stuff is the same, like the fingerprint sensor. Volume rocker is a little bit higher. But yeah, it's pretty small. So let's go ahead and boot this guy up. We'll hold the power button on. Just taking a little bit. There we go. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and do the setup process, and I will be right back after this is complete. Alright, so I'm almost done with the setup. Right here it just shows the same warnings that a lot of foldables show. Let me zoom out here. Yeah, you just don't want to hit it with your fingernail or like any sharp objects. It's water resistant, but I wouldn't take it in dust or anything like that. But let's go ahead and click next and finish setup. So yeah, this is the phone. Let's go ahead and test the folding. So yeah, it folds in half like this, and here we go. Yeah, I'd say they are about the same thickness when folded up. But cool thing about this is you also have the outer display here, so you can access notifications and music, all that stuff. And you can flip it open like this, and yeah, really awesome little device. I'm gonna have to delete all the bloatware that Samsung pre-installs, but yeah, I'm gonna be testing this for a few months and see how I like it. If you guys want an update on the Z Fold, leave a comment down below and I'll do an updated video on this, my experience with it and all that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start customizing this, but it's a really cool phone, and I'm glad I got it. Matte black is definitely the way to go. I am gonna put a D brand skin on it though eventually. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in the next one.